Treehouse logo bloopers. Cut. Spiffy pictures, what are you doing here on the Treehouse channel? I try to look for Curious Buddies. Well, Curious Buddies isn't here, so get out of here. Alright, let's try it again. Take 2. Why is DHX doing here? I try to look for Curious Buddies. Well, Treehouse logo bloopers. Cut. Spiffy pictures, what are you doing here on the Treehouse logo? I try to look for Curious Buddies. Well, Curious Buddies isn't here, so get out of the studio. Well, Curious Buddies isn't here, so leave the studio right now. Okay, fine. Okay, let's try it again. Let's try this again. Take 2. Cut. DHX, what are you doing here on the Treehouse logo? I'm looking for My Little Pony. Well, My Little Pony isn't here, so get out of here. My Little Pony, My Little Pony. Well, why does he sing that song? Because it's really annoying. Just take it again. Cut. Cookie Jar, what are you doing here on the Treehouse logo? It's okay. I love you guys and I'm taking over the studio. Well, don't you dare. Get out of my sight right now. Let's just try again. Take 4. Cut. Why is Noggin doing here on the Treehouse logo? I'm looking for Nick Jr. Shows. Well, Nick Jr. Shows wasn't here, so get out of here. Cut. Why is Nick Jr. here? Well, me and Junior are looking for Dora the Explorer and Backyardigans. Yeah, I agree with Nick. Well, Backyardigans and Dora the Explorer isn't here on the Treehouse logo, so leave the studio. Well, let's try again. Take again.
Guys, Mr. Roll here.
Cut. Mr. Roll Up, what are you doing here? I'm looking for a time machine. Well, there is no time machine, so get out of here. Oh, fine, I'll get one from Walmart. Well, let's just try again. Take it again. Cut. What is DBS doing here? So, what are you doing here, DBS? I'm taking over the studio because I love you guys. That's it. Time to oof you. Now let's take it again. Take it again. Cut. CBC, what are you doing here? I don't know why I take over the studio. Well, don't you dare speak Spanish again. Oh yes, I will spank your butt. Okay, time to go. That's it. Now, let's take it again. What? Cut. SBS, what are you doing here in the Treehouse channel?
Well, jam here, the house, in taking over the studio.
Oh no, you don't. Time to put you out. See, that's what you get for bothering me. Now for the last one, but this is your warning, Treehouse. Screw up again, you're fired. Do you understand? Okay, let's try again. Cut. That's it. Treehouse, you're fired. Get out of the studio right now. Cut. That's it. Treehouse, you're fired. Get out of the studio right now.